Bitcoin broke out right now. Will we see Bitcoin right now to 24,400 going and then to 30K and 35K? This is what we will about. And I told you, or we spoke already about in the Telegram group, I told you if we're closing 4 hourly above white line, it could be potential long opportunity. I told you exactly also the stop loss position and the take profit here. And let's watch in the charts. It worked out until now. So right, so we saw here a clear 4 hourly candle closing above this white line. So this is amazing. And the second one right now closing in 45 minutes. Right, so this is, we want to see another one closing above clearly. Right, so this long opportunity is still going on. And if you want to jump right now into a long, I would be very careful. I mean, it's still possible. It's still possible. The risk reward ratio was at 3.0 when I told you that right now it would be around 1.6. It's not the best one because you have to have your stop loss right now below this yellow line, right? Because I mean, where is the short opportunity? A short opportunity is clear if we're breaking this white line and the yellow line to the downside. This is, in my opinion, a short opportunity. So if we break 20,000, let's say 22,950, then we can start to short to 22,446, and the next price target would be 20,050 here around. It's 12%. Next one would be around 19,500, so 15% in case we are breaking down. Right now, it's still a long opportunity, so it's still we can make here over 3.7% to the upside. And I showed you also my trade in my Telegram group, but I will show you here around 1,200% in profit right now, $12,200 in profit. So this looks amazing, bratans. However, be very careful right now because we have Sunday evening and Sunday evening the Asia market usually open. We see very, very high volatility. And I told you yesterday in the evening, I told you that we will see I told you not in the video. I told you also in the Telegram group, bratans. I wrote you a very, very not a long one, but I here explained to you. Wait a minute, here was it, I think. Yes, here I explained to you that we will see a very, very massive move because the volume is declining, and this is still what happens right now, right? So I don't like the volume at the moment because you see it starts to rising. However, in the big picture, you see it, if we are zooming out, it's really declining, right? So that speaks for massive move. And in the big picture, I'm still expecting that the move will be to the upside because, I mean, if we are going to see on the weekly, we have to zoom out to understand the market. Then yes, we could see maybe cool down, but in the big picture, the relief rally has not come to an end, right? I still expect that we will go to 24,400. This is the white line. It's some resistance line, and the next resistance area is around 25K. So at least I'm expecting that we will go in the next days, weeks to 25K or even to 35K, right? You see here this white resistance line because it's it's 3 years resistance line, 2-3 years. You see here support, 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 and here it will turn into resistance. So the last price target which I'm expecting here is 35K before we will see a breakdown to 7K around, right? And again, to everyone who is not following my videos, if you say 35K is a lot, you see the previous bear market, we had a pump here over 360% before we had another big dump, right? And so here it would be from the bottom to 35K, only 120%. I mean, it's a third of the previous bull market. So it's pretty, yes, it could be. S&P 500 looks also awesome because we closed the weekly candle here green clearly above this white line. So I expecting also here from the S&P 500 maybe to retest this white line before we will see a pump to the upside. And if we see pump to the upside, then obviously we will see also Bitcoin pumping because this is the leading indicator for Bitcoin, S&P 500, and Bitcoin is for crypto. And Oil, we saw oil cooling down. This was also one of the reasons why we saw Bitcoin pumping. However, what I don't like is that oil broke above this big resistance line, because if oil is getting more expensive, then the product's getting more expensive, and then the inflation goes up. This is the reason why we want to see cheap oil. And see, we broke this massive resistance line since 2022. This is what I'm watching closely. I want to see, or I hope that this was a fake out and we will see oil breaking down again, because if oil is breaking down, Bitcoin is pumping, right? So this is what I want to see. This is a little bit concerning, but this we have to watch closely. So maybe we are retesting here this line, then we see Bitcoin pumping 25k, and then Bitcoin is going to toilet. We have to watch this. The dollar is right now the whole time retesting this support line. This support line is from 2022. It's nearly 1 year old, you see, and we are retesting the whole time. And the more we are retesting a support line, the more likely we are breaking it to the downside, right? And I hope we will break to the downside, because if the dollar is getting cheap, the Bitcoin is going up, and vice versa. So if we see here a bounce of the dollar DXY, then we'll see Bitcoin dumping, right? So we hope that we will see here a dump from the dollar, then Bitcoin will pump. So watch out for the DXY. Until now, everything looks very healthy. Also, the total crypto market cap, if we are watching right now, total crypto market cap looks awesome. So because we broke to the upside this major resistance line, this yellow line, you see we broke it to the upside, and we broke also above this white support, a resistance line. You see here big resistance, here support and resistance, here support and resistance, and here we are formed a very massive again resistance, and we are pumping further to the upside. So this looks also awesome. So everything speaks for a relief rally, which will go further to the upside. However, yes, we could if we're zooming in on the 4 hourly or 1 hourly, I mean, in case we are breaking here this white line, this yellow line to the downside, we can short, and we could go even to 9,500 before we see pump. However, right now we are bullish, and we are expecting Bitcoin to go to 24,400 unless we are breaking this yellow line. Then we can use this opportunity to short, or maybe to add to our long position till we are reaching 19,500. So this is the two strategies, bratans. What I'm doing here with my trade, with my long position, with which $1,200 is right now in profit, and when I open a new position, or which hidden gems or which hidden coins I will buy for the long run, because I made top 5 altcoins, which I'm watching for the bull run 2025, because this is when we're expecting the bull run will happen, and the top 5 RE coins. This is what we made and analyze on it. If you want, you can join my Telegram group. My Telegram group, there's one group which is absolutely for free. So if you want to join, you can join it, bratans, absolutely for free, and you get this information for free when I'm closing my trade, when I open a new trade. And on my Discord channel, I have a crypto school course, or a crypto trading course, also absolutely for free. If you want to join, how you can do it, it's basically 3 steps or 2 steps. Link in the description. Make a registration on Bybit, so make an account through my link. Second step, deposit $500 on your Bybit account, and then you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel, right? So, bratans, if you have any questions, write me down below. Ethereum, I still expecting to go between $2,500 and $3,500, but we have to see to see Ethereum to go 2,500, 3,500. We have to see Bitcoin to go to 25k or 35k, right? And this is what we are still expecting, bratans. So I'm very, very positive and optimistic. I have a lot of FXS, I have a lot of Ethereum. I am in a big long position right now, so I'm still very bullish. Even though if we see a cool down to 19,500, I'm still at the moment very bullish. However, it's not the bull market right now, bratans. It's not the bull market. It's a small relief rally, and the bull market will start around 2024, 2025. We will see the peak after the halving, right? So, bratans, thank you everyone for watching. I see you in the Telegram group. Mwah.